Hi everyone, you are watching Pakistan stock market updates. So today my topic is At-Tahur company, known as Prema. It's a well-known company. They are manufacturing dairy products in Pakistan, and they sold their products in also Pakistan. So, starting with their company's introduction, first of all, Tahur. Tahur is means purity. This word is taken from Arabic language. Okay, At-Tahur Limited has since its inception 2007 strived to provide its consumers with dairy products the way nature intended them to be. This is why At-Tahur's Prema milk brand launched in 2008 has in a short span of time become a household name in Pakistan for its 100% natural purity and freshness, ensuring highest production, processing, and packaging standards. Prema milk is the only milk in Pakistan that is free of all kinds of additives and artificial growth hormones, and completely traceable from grass to glass. Production. Let's talk about the company's production processing. In order to set highest standards in purity and nourishment, At-Tahur imported world-renowned thoroughbred Australian and Dutch cows produced at the state-of-the-art dairy facilities and untouched by human hand. Prema's milk is pasteurized and homogenized and packed using a fully integrated and an internationally compliant cow to consumer process. It is uncompromising fidelity to quality and purity, fully backed by consumers' confidence, has enabled At-Tahur to expand its product range in less than 5 years. So now talk about their products. They are making 6 products: Prema's whole milk, Prema heat right low fat milk, Prema natural yogurt, Prema sweet yogurt, Prema zira raita, and Prema pudina raita. They are there 6 products, and you can see in this the picture that there is Prema whole milk and Prema heart right low fat milk. So these are their products. Now let's moving forward to their market share price, their 52-week high, low, and and at what discount rate they are available in market. So their current share price is in market is 23.05, and according to 52-week high, its price is 32.24 share price. So that share is available in market at 25% discount rate in Pakistan Stock Exchange, and in 1 year change. In a total whole year, their market share price increased by 44.24 percentage, and the return they are announced for their shareholders is also increased by 0.17%. Their P multiple is 10.6 multiple, and their free float is 25, which is very low as compared to other dairy product companies like Angro and many other companies. So their free float is low, which is 25%, but their product mostly available in Punjab side. Moving forward to the financials, you can see here the company financials sales increased from 2018 to 2021. As I told you earlier, that you must focus on sales and number of unit sold product. Okay. And profit after taxation is also increased. In 2017 it was 177 million, 270 million in 2019, 54 million in 2020, and 2021 it was 262 million. So it shows a positive trend, and company except 2020 year. EPS is also increased. 2018 1.62, 2019 1.69, and 2020 it was 0.31, but this year it is but in year 2021 it is 1.48. Directors report. It give me immense pleasure to present on behalf of the board of directors at At-Tahur Limited. In their December 31, 2021 financial report, company continued its journey of success and is poised for growth. COVID-19 has impacted and irreversibly changed the economic environment, caused inflation, and has created multiple challenges for all economic sections, and dairy is not an exception. In spite of the challenges, At-Tahur displays its resilience and adaptability to the adverse environment by posting profit after taxation of rupees 410.51 million. It shows growth of 431.96% higher than the last year, and it is a good sign. Farm milk production showed stellar growth on account of our timely expansion of farm animals and ancillary infrastructure. Moreover, the company increased its SKU offering comprising of value-added downstream dairy products. Company maintained its singular focus on operational efficiencies, contributing significantly to company's profitability. Here is the company's half-year ended report of 6 months, and it's the final profit and loss statement. Revenue from contracts with customers is increased 1.48 billion in December 31, 2021, and in 2020 it was 1.17 billion. And company's profit before taxation is 433 million, and in December 31 it was it is 92,163,000. And profit after taxation is also increased 77 million in 2020 and 410 million in 2021. Earning per share is also increased which is 2.07, and in last year it is 0.39. This report shows the results of quarterly ended and half year ended. Prema's P multiple is 10.6, and compared to PK food industry average it is good value based, but compared to PK market it is poor value. Prema has high level of non-cash earnings, and current net profit margin is 15.9%, and it is higher than the last year. Company debt is not too high, but their currently debt is 20.7%, and every company now in this world is running on debt on credit. Okay, so Prema's debt to equity ratio is increased from last 5 years, but also their debt and their interest payment is well covered. Debt is well covered by current operating cash flows, and their interest is well covered by their EBIT, so they do not worry about the expenses because it is well covered, and their operating cash flow and EBIT is both positive. Now you can see here the payouts companies offering on September 23, 2021. They announced 12% bonus shares. September 30, 2020 they announced 10% bonus shares, and October 9, 2019 they announced 10% bonus share, and on September 19, 2019 they announced 3.7% dividend. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, click the like button and click the bell icon button too. Allah Hafiz everyone.